Okay, just continuing from those eye contouring. Okay, we're gonna apply a blusher. Go straight to our blush. Okay, get in there a little closer. I already started a little bit before you. It's just to show you how you can do it yourself. Some people use blusher brushes. I like to use sponges. From sponges to different application spongers and the cotton flat swabs, I call them. Okay, so we're gonna just take a little bit off. So I started before you, so I'd like to show you how to do it yourself. Okay, those eyes are contoured according to your complexion, your choice of color. Okay, so there you go, according to your complexion. I love earth tones, so here we go. We're gonna take a little, I love the oranges, earth tones, as far as blusher. Okay, we left the contour. Now on to blushing. Still covering those that tired skin. We're gonna wake up that skin. Okay, wake up that skin. Boom, boom, boom. Blushers. We use them moderately for the daytime. For the night, you can do something else. But we're gonna finish this, and all that tired look comes alive. Okay, when I want to go again, use a little more of our contour. Take another brush, large or small, and we're going to do a little contouring. Some people use bronzers. I'm going to use bronzer. I use bronzer. So here we're going to take this in here. Okay, I'm going to take this in here. See what a difference? Lighten up a complexion, lighten up your look, tiny little bit under the eyes. You can use this a bronzer or a darker powder than your natural shade. Okay, boom, and there we go. And I'm going to take that same brush, and we're going to go along the nose line. From the top straight down, just to peek up that just a tiny bit. And go with that same brush, just clean it off a little bit. Take a darker shade. What I'm going to do is a darker shadow, and we're going to go in that same corner, contour. Let's slender that nose, slenderize that nose line. And we all need it, no matter which nationality, creed, or tribe. And there we go. Appearance of a nice slenderized nose. I love my nose, but guess what? We can do miracles if we do that contouring just right. You're not overdoing it. It's just right. Okay? Let's move along. Go to those lips. I like a natural lip. Before we move along, let's use a little more of that orange that we left on the brush, okay? Go around here. Let's blend that a little bit more. Go and blot out. Blot out. Bring it down. Boom, boom, boom. And that's as far as we got there. That is, let's see, brows. You can use, we're going to go into brows. Find our little brow here. Whichever mascara, use whichever you prefer. Those brows, just lift them up a tiny bit. You can take a clean mascara brush. Doesn't have to be the same one, or they'll come out blacker than you need to. Okay, go from the top. Let's take it right down the sides. Alright? I love a natural look. Guess what we can also do here? Your favorite color of shadow. These are cream shadows. I'd like to use here is along your lips. Cream shadow. Or some shadows, different company makes matte Put that there, and guess what I'm gonna do? Make my own color. Bronze tones. Tap, tap. And there we go. Make sure you left no remnants of anything else you used. Call them remnants left behind on something else. There we go. Nice nose contour. Remember, less is more. You're trying to give yourself an illusion, right? That's what makeup is, an illusion. An illusion. Cover up tiredness. Cover up a little tiredness. Cover up dark circles under the eyes. Just a little. And guess what we got there? Still have a little more time. Time is limitless. Limitless. You don't have to always use a brush. If you don't have a brush, it's okay. Guess what I just did? Just put a little, call it highlighting for the brows. Highlighting for the brows. And there you go. And that's makeup good enough for the day. Good enough for daytime. Nighttime you may want to apply a little more according to what lighting. Special events or whatever you have. Okay, eyes are done. Makeup's done. What are you ready for now? You can do anything with this makeup right here. Just finish with those brows. Pull those brows out. Pull them out beautifully. Don't worry about what that hair looks like. Sometimes we all need a natural look. Natural look. Take that same mascara brush. I use my mascara as a brush as well, just for contouring the eye, under the eyes. Some people have sensitive areas under there, and you cannot. Yeah. So this is here. Less is more. Sometimes our mascara dry out, so sometimes what I like to do is just take a little water. You have quality mascaras, you pay a lot of money for these. You just take a little water on that brush. Okay, a little water on that brush. We get it back down in there. Pay a lot of money for those mascaras. We let them sit and they dry out. So guess what? I just put a little bit of water. And that mascara is as good as new. Pull out your own natural lashes beautifully. Beautifully. Don't get too much under those eyes. Stay away from your, you call your eyeball. With a nice big brush. You get a beautiful finish there. Lasting touches. Lasting touch. You just take your mixture. I call it a kaleidoscope because it's a kaleidoscope of colors. Different companies make them. And you just go in there and finish. Finish it. Not overdone, so you don't look overdone. Okay? You have your beautiful contour. Your lips are done. And boom, ready for a day out. Brunch, anybody? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands in this COVID-19 times. Okay, wash your hands. Look beautiful. Stay healthy. Okay? Love you all. Smooches.